Now this is going to be a how-to video on how to remove dents from your dust covers or, in this scenario, tweeters. I tried everything I found online. That was duct tape, which I didn't do, poking this with a pin and working it out, putting a vacuum cleaner around this, trying basically everything I heard, which I am not going to do. Also, a Q-tip directly in the center with crazy glue and popping it out. A lot of those methods are going to leave damage to here. So I have the best method guaranteed to fix this once and for all without damaging it. You're going to need to get yourself Zots. You could see it's clear adhesive dots. I actually used this for a different project, but I thought it would work really well for this. And that's because it doesn't leave any adhesive behind. It's clean. It pulls off cleanly. It's going to be perfect. So let's see how to do it. So here they are. You could see two on this paper. There's two main ways to do it. There's going to be the way I'm about to show you, or you could basically take the dots off, whatever you want to call them, Zots, peel them off. It'll be stuck to your finger and you can pop it like this. But this method is by far the best. Watch this. Take it, stick it on, okay? Work it in. Now take it and slowly pop it out. Now you don't want to just yank right now. You want to slowly go slow. And you could see how perfectly it peels off without damaging the cone. Okay? Go slow. Now, if you like, what you can do is I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put it on my finger just so I can go slow and remove the smaller dents. Okay, so I took one of these Zots off. I put it on my finger, and I'm going to do the same thing essentially, but more controlled and slower for the more precise dents. Okay, watch. It's hard to do on camera, but I'm going slow. Okay. All right. I have 4 tiny dings I have to work with, but I'm going to do this off camera because I'm a little nervous. I don't want to damage it as they're very good speakers.